Hello friends, welcome to GCA. I hope you all are fine and doing wonders. So as you all are aware that the SSB dates are declared for the July course pending entries like TGC entry, 10+2 technical entry and NDA entry, and considering the COVID-19 pandemic, new instructions have been issued by the Service Selection Board which we have to follow before reporting at the selection center. Although they have not uploaded a PDF of these instructions on the official website, but they have mentioned these instructions in the revised call-up letters. As one of my friend is going for SSB next month, so thereby I have taken these official instructions from the revised call-up letter. So again, without wasting any time, let us start. So beginning with the very first, the candidates will be subjected to medical screening at traffic checkpoint of military Kent before entry to the selection center. It means there will be a medical screening at the reporting, and if they are found fit, then they will be allowed entry to the SSB, and if not, then they will be asked to return. In medical screening, they will check the body temperature of the candidate. Second one is candidates should follow social distancing and other COVID-19 protocols while traveling. It means we have to follow the social distancing, we should carry sanitizers, face shield, face mask, and avoid direct contact with any object and any stranger. Third one is a candidate, if found to have any symptoms, then he or she should not move from home station. If such a candidate reports to the center, he or she will be returned back during the medical screening on arrival. Like if any candidate is having any symptom of COVID-19, then one is advised not to move from home station, because we all are aware that the probability of spreading of the COVID-19 is very fast. So if a candidate is having symptoms of COVID-19, then it can be spread to other candidates. So therefore, one is advised not to move from his home. Moving to the other instructions, the candidate should carry hand sanitizer, soap, face masks, face shields, and pair of gloves. So these are the main requisites which one should carry, and here I advise you to carry these in excess, because in case of recommendation, the SSB interview including the medical might take place up to 14 days, so the one should carry these in excess. Next one is candidates to get hot and cold water bottles which will be carried by them at all times during their stay at the SSB, so thereby it is necessary to take hot and cold water bottles. Next one is the candidates will have Arogya Setu app installed in their mobile phones prior to leaving home station for selection center. Screenshot printout of having green status on Setu app will be taken prior to leaving home, and the same will be kept at the time of reporting at selection center. It means one should have Arogya Setu app in their mobile phone, and before reporting for the SSB, like before leaving their home, they have to take screenshot of their app that whether their area is in the green zone, and that they have to show at the time of reporting that yes, actually they are coming from the area which is in the green zone. Candidate will not travel from any cantonment zone including the orange zone. It means only candidates who are coming from the green zone will be allowed to enter the selection center. Next is latest passport photos not older than 1 week will be brought, and failure to produce the same at the time of reporting, the candidature will be cancelled. It means we have to carry our new passport size photo which is only 1 week older than the reporting date of the SSB, and failure to produce the candidature of the candidate will be cancelled. Next is those candidates who are selected in stage 1 for the stage 2 will not be allowed to go to selection center premises for any purpose in the view of COVID-19 pandemic. So as you all are aware that when a candidate gets screened in, so then the candidate have to stay in the SSB for the next 4 days, and in the free time the candidates are allowed to go outside the city to visit the city. Now as the coronavirus, the COVID-19 pandemic is going on, so it is a very strict instruction from the selection center, that is they will not be allowed to go out of the selection center for visiting the city, so they will remain in the selection center only. And the next one is very important instructions which one should keep in mind. No bedding will be provided at the selection center. The candidates are advised to carry a light bedding, pillow, blanket and mosquito net as per his comfort and season. Like earlier in the SSB, carrying bedding is not allowed, everything is provided at the selection center, but considering the COVID-19 pandemic, this is for the first time that the candidates are advised to carry their own bedding which include pillow, blanket, mosquito net as per his comfort and season. Next is Candidates are advised to carry adequate clothing that will be required for their stay of 2 weeks in case of recommendation for selection, as there will be no laundry facilities till the pandemic is over. Like you all are aware that those who got screened in earlier, there is a laundry facility available at the selection center, but considering the COVID-19 pandemic, the laundry facilities are not allowed. Even in the training academies, the laundering facilities are banned. So one should carry the adequate clothing considering that they are going to get selected. And as I already told you, the selection might take place up to 2 weeks because of including the medical. So thereby it is advised to carry the extra clothing with you. Next is, the candidates are advised to ensure that they do not carry any medication with them, including any generic medicine. Any medical assistance required will be provided at the selection center, and there will be check of body temperature at least thrice a day during their stay with the selection center. And during stage 1, the medical checkup will be carried out at every stage of testing to ensure that the candidates are safe. It means the candidates are advised not to carry any medication, like there is already a MI room is available at the selection center, and any medical assistance will be provided by them. Similarly, there will be a medical checkup. The body temperature will be checked for thrice a day if a candidate got screened in for the next 4 days. And even at the selection stage 1 selection, the body temperature of the candidate will be checked before the further testing. For example, after the OIR test there will be a body checkup, before the OIR test there will be a body checkup, and after the PPDT there will be a body checkup. Now moving to the next instructions. All candidates will carry a COVID-19 negative certificate from the ICMR approved lab, not more than 2 days old, before reporting for the SSB. So this is a very important instruction which one have to keep in mind, because without following this instruction, one will not be allowed to enter the selection center, and the candidate will be returned same day without testing. So one should get a COVID-19 negative certificate which should be from ICMR approved lab only, and it should not be 2 days old before reporting for the SSB. It means if a candidate is having interview on 26th of June, that is their reporting date is 26th of June, then the ICMR approved certificate should be signed either on 23rd of June or 24th of June. It should not be before 23rd of June. Candidates are advised to get at least 2 return railway reservation in case they are rejected on day 1 or day 5. So the candidates should have the return railway reservation, because as you all are aware that the selection in SSB is not guaranteed. So in case you get rejected on the day 1, you should have the reservation done, so that if in case you are rejected, you should not look here and there that there is no booking, how should I go to home. So you should carry the return reservation in advance, both on the screening day and as well as both on the day 5, that is on the conference day. Candidates should confirm if they will be attending the SSB via mail, feedback query on Join Indian Army website, or via phone call. So this is another important instructions which we have to follow. We have to confirm the SSB that yes, we are coming to the SSB, so that they can get the fair idea like how many candidates are coming on this particular day, so that they can make various arrangements. Now the last instruction: candidates are required to get soft copy of all their documents and certificates, both on their mobile and on CD. So this is for the first time that these instructions have been issued. So friends, this is all about the recent instructions that have been issued by the SSB considering the COVID-19 pandemic. So these instructions are for the July course entries, and very soon the dates of SSC entries will be allowed by the first week of August. So the instructions are going to remain same. So friends, this is all about today's video, and I hope you have found this video helpful. And if you feel this video is worth sharing, then you can share this video with their friends, so that they can also get benefit of the recent instructions, because so far the instructions have not been uploaded on the website. So sharing this video will help them to prepare them in advance the recent instruction considering the COVID-19 pandemic. So thank you friends. God bless you all, and good luck for your upcoming SSB.